Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install and set up WordPress on Google Cloud in just one click. So it is very simple and straightforward. You don't have to be very technical or you don't have to manage any server. You just have to log into your Google Cloud console and click on this menu button and from here, you have to search for the marketplace. So in this marketplace section, you will not find only WordPress, but many more other, a lot of ready to use applications and web apps ready to be used, ready to be installed, and a lot of things that you can install, not only application, not only web app, even you can install the uh, operating systems like Debian, Ubuntu, etc., Windows Server. You can do anything. You just have to come here and click on any of these things, and it will uh, set up everything for you out of the box and deploy it for you with just few clicks. So here you have to just search for the WordPress, and there are many, but we have to use the simplest solution. So you can just go back. I saw a WordPress here. So click on this WordPress, and here you can see that it has a lot of information about this WordPress Google Click to Deploy page. And you can read the overview, like it is telling about the pricing. It is saying that click to deploy WordPress usage fee is $0 per month, and infrastructure fee would be there that you have to pay. For example, VM instance, one shared vCPU plus 2 GB memory would cost you around $12.23 per month. And if you use standard persistent disk that with 10 GB storage, it would cost this much amount. And this is the total cost for your WordPress. So you can obviously adjust the settings for this. Like maybe you want to increase the RAM, memory, something like that. And these are the additional details like which operating system it would be using and what uh, packages or side packages it would install for you out of the box. Like it would install Apache, MySQL, uh, PHP, WordPress, and phpMyAdmin. So you can also, so now let's just click on the launch button and wait for it. So it is saying that to use this, to install this WordPress, it has to enable these APIs for us. So first one is the Compute Engine API, Cloud Deployment Manager V2 API, and Cloud Runtime Configuration API. So let's enable them so that it can process based on these APIs. Okay, two are activated and one is left. So it is taking some time. Okay, after APIs are enabled, it took me to this page. And here we have a lot of configuration that we can manage from here. First of all, we can type the name of the deployment. It can be anything, it is up to you. And here you can specify the zone that which zone you want to use. You might want to use a zone that is closest to your uh, preferred area. So here you can select the machine type. So these are the technical information that you can provide here. Like it is, if it is general purpose or compute optimized are normally expensive. then the general purpose, then the general purpose, and from here you can select the series, and here you can select the machine type, and other than that, you have to provide the email address for the admin. I would use a test email. And here you can select if you want to install phpMyAdmin or not. I would definitely install phpMyAdmin because this is a very useful tool that we can may need in future. So here you can specify the size of the disk, and other than that, you must make sure that you have selected the allow HTTP traffic from the internet. In this way, you would be able to access your WordPress from any location. And other than that, you have to accept the terms. And here again, you can see all of the information about the software operating system that is going to be used and installed. And now click on the deploy button and wait for some time. So you can see it is being deployed. It may take 1 or 2 minutes or maybe more. So you just have to wait for it. Meanwhile, on the right side, it will keep showing you several pieces of information that you can use. For example, on the right side, it will show the admin URL after it is created. And other than that, it is providing you the username for the MySQL password, root username, root user password for the MySQL. And other than that, you have the admin username and admin password that you would use to log into your WordPress admin panel. So it is almost done. Okay, it is deployed successfully. You can see it is now showing the green tick button. So it was very easy. So let's access the admin panel of the WordPress. 1 second. So first of all, I will open this link. As this is using HTTPS, that is why SSL certificate is not installed yet. That is why Google Chrome is showing a warning that it is not private. So uh, either you can remove the HTTPS. Okay, now you can see that this WordPress is installed successfully. And if you add /wp admin, then you would be redirected to this login page. Here you would have to add the login details. So I would copy this one and paste it here. Also copy this password for the admin and paste it here. Now click on the login button and look at this. It was installed correctly and you can now access the admin panel very easily. You just have to save this login detail or you can change your password after accessing the admin section. So now you can do anything from here. And the second thing that I wanted to make sure that is working fine is the phpMyAdmin. Click on the phpMyAdmin link and see if it is working fine. Yeah, it is loading perfectly. Now let's try to access by adding the login details. I would use the root user, MySQL user, and root MySQL password to see if it is working fine. Okay, well then it is working perfectly fine. You can now access your database from the phpMyAdmin. From here, you can make any changes if needed, or you can just come here and see all of the tables that are available. You can review if you want. So this was very, very easy and straightforward, no rocket science. So if you liked my video, if this video is useful for you in any way, then please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated for the new videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.